Dear friends, in tonight's mega cultural event, we have another dance number. So are you all excited for the last dance number? No, that's not the spirit. Once more, are you all excited? So let us all welcome the Bodo dices on the dice. Can we please have them on the dice?
We are from the Bodo diocese, and we bring you three different tribes from our diocese: Bodo, Garo, and Santali. This is the major tribes from our Bodo diocese. Thank you. Music, please.
That was a swing performance. I am sure it has taken you out of your feet into the air. The richness of our culture is indeed what makes us alive and happy. And this aliveness and happiness can be multiplied two-folds, 10-folds, 20-folds, 100-folds if we add Christ into our life.